Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to paint this pretty and cute phone case. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to paint this cute little bunny faces on your phone case. So do not skip the video because there are a lot of tips and tricks in between. To make your own DIY phone case, you will need a transparent phone cover as a base, acrylic paints, and brushes. In this video of how to paint your own DIY phone cover, I'm going to paint on the inside of the phone case because once when you're done and you flip over your phone case, the phone case will have an even tone, smooth finish and a glossy look. So that's why I'm going to start painting on the inside of the phone cover, and you guys follow the same to get a beautiful outcome. So let's start off with painting some cute little eyes. So usually while we are painting, as in painting on a paper, we add a base layer over a layer again and then end up with the details like eyes, nose and the rest. But look, we are painting on the inside of a phone case. So once when we flip it, the base layer is going to be the first layer. So we had to be a bit cautious here because it's going to look all messed up if we flip over our phone. Guys, check this. Here's a condition where the paint doesn't stick onto the phone case or it's pretty much scattered. So this happens when your brush holds so much of water than the paint. So it will be much appreciated if you use more paint and less water, or you can just use paint only, or just don't mix your paints with water. So guys, here's another tip for you. So once after the paint dries, when you flip your phone cover, if you feel like the paint looks a bit more thick, the lines look a bit more thick, you can always tease it out with a sharp tool. You can use some safety pin or you can use a compass needle. Here I am using a broken forceps from my lab. yes guys, the painting is finally over and it's time to reveal the final product, and here we go. A cute little bunny faces are now ready, and this DIY phone case is ready to flaunt on your phone. Also guys, you can add another layer of color to paint over these cute bunny faces to add more contrast to it. So here I have this purple case. Don't mind the painting on the purple case, I know it's kind of messed up. So once after I've placed the bunny faces over these purple paint, you can see a little more contrast to this painting. Also, you're just good to go with the transparent one. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and also share it with your friends. Also in the upcoming video, I'll be teaching you how to paint pretty daisies on your phone case. So subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified. Happy painting. God bless you.